Thanks very much, Brian. Continuous learning, it's one of the best ways to keep your mind sharp. Sheree Meredith from Hamilton Third Age Learning joins us now with more on their fall lecture series, which is really, really popular. And it's held at the Westdale Theatre in Hamilton's West End. And this is such a cool thing. It's been going on for years. And it's a little known secret in Hamilton.
You're right. It's one of the reasons we so appreciate the chance to be here and talk about it, because there's so many more Hamiltonians who would probably enjoy attending the lectures.
Okay, and it's lectures on all kinds of things.
That's right. So it started 12 years ago. A group of people came together and said, how can we provide more learning opportunities for older adults in Hamilton? And the overall theme is understanding and living in the 21st century. So the topics cover politics, science, health, the arts, a real range. So it's kind of unique in that regard. It's an hour lecture followed by Q&A, and it's absolutely wonderful way to spend a morning.
And there's a series of lectures. So there's is it five lectures?
Yes.
For the
we
fall?
have 3 series each year, fall, winter, and spring. And each series is comprised of 5 lectures. So we're just about to begin the fall lineup.
Okay,
Yeah.
and you have to register to get in?
You do, and there is a cost. It's $55 for the 5. That's because it's a self-sustaining organization. But it's interesting because with that, you can come to the lecture at the Westdale, and there's usually about 300 people. It's a wonderful morning, but you also receive a link to a video of the lecture, so that if you're not able to come, because most of us are busy people, can't necessarily get to all 5, you have 2 weeks to watch the lecture at home after.
Okay. You've been a volunteer with this for so long now. What have you learned from this?
Oh, it's been fabulous. So first of all, you learn from the lectures, and you learn about things that you didn't even know you were interested in. You know, a lecture on Canada's wildfires or on climate change and how it affects the wine we're drinking. So there's the learning itself, but we also know that learning with others in the social engagement part of that is so enjoyable and also good for healthy aging. So that's what I've enjoyed. I've enjoyed that experience. I've enjoyed the people I've met, and then getting involved on the board of directors, which not everybody chooses to do, and that's fine, but it's again provided an opportunity to be part of something, have some fun, do something worthwhile.
Right, and there's no like minimum age requirement for this.
No, there isn't. There isn't. We say it's for older adults, and third age learning, third age being sort of the older phase of life, they operate throughout North America and Europe, and generally they're for older people, but we don't check your ID at the door or anything.
Everybody's welcome as long as you register. And I can imagine that there must be a lot of friendships that grow out of this.
It's interesting, you know, when you're at the Westdale, it's Wednesday morning at 10, and you hear people arriving, there's a vibrancy, right? And the coffee's going, and the Westdale is a wonderful partner to work with. So I think some people come with their friends, people come on their own, they make new friends, and it does build. And some people, I'm more recent because I just retired a few years ago, but some people have been coming for 12 years. So there are good friendships that evolve.
And I can imagine the conversation can continue after the lecture.
They do, and now that we offer them at the Westdale Theatre, you know, some people take advantage of that and have a coffee in Westdale or lunch. And the Westdale Theatre now is also offering some complimentary programming. So for 2 of the topics this fall, they are showing a documentary at 1 o'clock. And so what we found when we did this before is that some people go to the lecture in the morning, then have lunch out, and then come back actually for the related documentary. So we're trying different things, you know, that whatever people enjoy and are interested in.
All right, it's a great way to keep learning. We'll have more on the fall lecture series. Then the first one starts September 25th.
That's right.
Wednesday morning. And we'll get that link up on our website at chch.com/morninglive. Thanks, Sheree.
Thank you so much.